Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. It could be a day. I've got a table to drop off at Vintage Junkie on the way home, but I gotta get gas first. Which, with Get Upside, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm telling you, click the link. Because I'm not sponsored by Get Upside, but I've got this will bring me over $20 in savings towards Christmas. So I'm saving all of my app earnings and all that stuff for Christmas. If you haven't seen it, go to the website and check out the Christmas for Free experiment. And oh my gosh, this month is growing fast, especially getting gas. But anyway, I had an Etsy order yesterday, so I've got to get that out today, get that in the mailbox. And so that's picking up. I'm happy about that. I mean, I'm enlisting again. Not daily. I stopped after the first week doing daily. But I'd like to get more photographed time. It's all time. It's all time. So might do some of that today. I've got a few pieces set aside that I have to wash and get ready to photograph, so I can do that today. But tomorrow I'll be working at Vintage Junkie for the day. Open to close. I'll be working Vintage Junkie. So it'll be a hugely exciting day tomorrow. And then on Friday, Victoria's school is having archery tournaments, and I'm the official photographer. Not till afternoon though. I mean, I have the whole day to get stuff done tomorrow. But then all day Saturday, again, I'm the official photographer, so I'll be at her school all day on Saturday. Don't worry, I filmed ahead for that. But tomorrow, I will be at Vintage Junkie, so it's going to be a pretty boring day for you guys tomorrow. Got nothing. Let's go drop this off. Let's get gas first. Get upside. Earn me some cash back. I love that because it's not like I can do anything about the gas prices anyway. Ooh, it increased from last night to 11 cents per gallon. That means I got over $1 back. So I'll take it. It'll be added to my savings for Christmas to buy presents for people. So I'm doing good this year. It's been great. In and out before anybody got there, so sweet. It's a nice little pile of stuff today. So that single chair that I did, that was my customer's $3 chair. I brought that in there because it's a cute little desk chair or garden chair or sewing chair. So I brought that in. I brought in a bunch of smalls. And I brought in the faux bamboo table and the buffet. What else did I bring? Bird tray. Some cheese boxes, a garden fork, you know, just random smalls. We'll see what sells. I'm excited to bring more furniture up. More furniture. It's nice to be able to sell furniture. So in March, right after the March Picket Fence sale, I will be loading up my car to bring a bunch to Vintage Junkie. So we'll see how that goes. I think on that Sunday I'll go up and I'll load my car and see what I have left to see if I even need to borrow the van. Because if I take everything out of here, I can get a lot in here. So lay the seats down and get quite a few pieces in here. It'll be nice to have some place for that stuff to go. These are the lovely little ladies who found a new home. So these will be going to, I can't remember, somewhere in the south. Got another call from the school. Victoria's laptop melted. When it rains, it pours. You know what I'm saying? Can't even tell you how thrilling that is to get that phone call. Because it's like, they have to have a laptop these days. She could check one out from the media center for a little while, and she could take mine to school tomorrow. Remember when all they needed was paper and pens? And you're like, Mom, I'm out of paper. $1.79. Mom, my laptop melted. $1,300. If you don't want to get a cheap $200 laptop, that's going to melt again. No, they're like, you know, a good one's like $500 to $700. Still don't have $500 to $700, but you know, the laptop didn't care. It just decided it was today. Did I just get like bright red because I have a hot flash. Oh, I feel like I'm about to melt. So, oh, that's okay. It's cold. Anyway, I got this box here still from the last thrift haul that I did in this room. And all the stuff's still in here, and this stuff's got to be cleaned and ready to go. These have to be sanded up and really cleaned before they go anywhere. So they're going to stay in here. But the rest of it, yeah. Gotta be cleaned up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. We are doing it right now. Remember this? It's still on my list from last year. And all I need to do is put cork on the back. Here's the cork. Let's do this right now. Right freaking now. Oh, I'm so mad right now. I cannot even believe I set it down again and then just totally forgot it. Squirrel. Squirrel. Oh my gosh. I can't even. This is going to fit just perfect. I mean, I just have to cut it. I'm not going another year without this being done. This is going to be done right now and then stuck into inventory because I'm just sick of holding it, moving it around. In a second. All right, so I notched it right there. I'm going to use this. Give me a straight line. I got a star. This is my work surface. I cannot draw a straight line or cut a straight line to save my life. So, yeah, this is required. Straight line. There we go. Here's my project for the day. I think because this is Dollar Tree cork, I am going to put a little adhesive on it. I've got clear Gorilla Glue somewhere. Right here. Right here, right next to me. Look at that. Don't glue myself to anything. I glued it on crooked. Oh, it's sticking up. Okay, well, we'll have to trim that off. But look, it's done. I did something today. 100 projects, 100 days. This is no longer on my list now. Yay, it's a trivet. I'm just irritated that it took me that long. The glue's all bubbled up underneath there. I think I need to put something heavy on it. Maybe not. I think it'll be fine. Boom! Made a trivet. So the tile came with these ladies on it. I've now got paint on it. My husband gave me plastic razor blades. I don't know if they're safer or what, but I think I can use those on this. Or my fingernail. Seems to be working. yeah, there's a lot. I'll get the razor blades. I don't know if these are supposed to be safer or what, but it looks like both sides has a sharp edge on it. It's not working. Yeah, it's not working. Well, epic fail, Jeffy. It's not working. Well, I have to get some lacquer thinner or something. I also need to repair that lantern that the door fell off the second time. It was just broken. Now it's completely off. We got clamps. Let's fix that. So that's done. My husband's so happy to have their last table out of the living room because they all went out there to cure. It's too cold to go anywhere else. So, but he was so happy to see that loaded in the car today. All right, everything else in here needs a good bath. Stand handle. Remember? Got our good little measuring cups. Got some ironstone. Got a planter. She's so sweet. Oh, forgot about you. $2. Tusentuck. That's where we got them. All right. And this little birdie's going to fit in perfect with my spring booth. So, yay. Hopefully more people show up. Let's get a price on you and get you painted up. Not painted up. Washed up. This entire box has to be washed and then priced. I also finished a blog post for Saturday. Y'all, if she takes my laptop, that's going to be the last blog post for a while. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It'll be all right. It will be all right. Y'all, I'm at the parking lot of the school again. Because I got a call from my teary daughter saying that she's starving. Because between play practice and archery, she's supposed to have a half hour. Well, play practice went over. And one of the archery coaches told her she couldn't eat. Well, I told her she could, and I told her I'd be on my way. So I just burned down the coaches. My husband's going to have to mop up the mess. Believe me, they probably wished he had been the one who showed up. And she ate dinner. So they now are on alert that that's not acceptable. Oh my God, you guys. This school, this is the third time I've had to have a conversation about food, about allowing children to eat. The first one was in elementary school when they were going to do some testing, and they pulled her out of lunch, and Victoria said, but I haven't eaten my lunch. And they said, this is the only time I have, the testing girl. So she ate 2 strawberries, and it was like, how do you expect her to test if she hasn't eaten? And the second one was, again, another testing thing where the testing went long and into her lunch hour or her lunch break. And the lunch lady told her, well, I got to switch over for the next lunch, so you don't get any food. And now this. It's like, what is with this school? They understand now that she will be eating. I don't care how long the play practice goes. She will eat her dinner. I don't want to have to come back down here again. I'm just sick of having to run to this school and feel like I live here. Oy vey. So tomorrow is vintage junkie all day, and I better not get a call between the fact that her laptop, I got it here. It's melted. It's not coming on, so they were right. It's not working anymore. It's just... Why did I have kids. I should have just bought a dog. I told my husband, you should have just bought me a puppy. That's when I said, let's have kids. You should have just bought me a puppy and waited for it to pass. I guess I'll be happy when I have someone to hold my hand when I'm dying or something. I don't know. There's supposed to be a reason for it, right? All I know is after last time, I was going to go clean that stuff, and I did. Look clean. I cleaned that stuff, and then I sat down on the couch, drank some water, and fell asleep. Woke up at 4 o'clock, wondering what the heck happened to my afternoon. I took a nap. Like a really long nap. I don't take naps. So my body just went, you know what? We're going to do this. And I fell asleep till 4 o'clock. When the dog decided she wanted to cuddle, I think she was already cuddling me. And I think her nuzzle just came up under my nose and it was wet. And I was like, I'm awake now. So she must have crawled up to cuddle me. And, yeah, I fell asleep. I must have needed it. That's all I can think. So unfortunately, I did not get a lot of stuff done today, but I did get all that stuff cleaned. Now I just have to price it, pack it, put it in my pocket. I don't know. See, I'm still sleepy. And I made dinner and came to burn a coach down. That's it for the day. I think that's enough.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.